We have 6 mystery sabers coming in.
Wow.
Thank you, Star Wars Theory. 32-inch. These are 3 boxes. I'm getting 2 more. I'm gonna have a total of 5 boxes and a total of 8 sabers. My goodness, I have 4 right now and I have 4 more coming. Now that I got your attention, we're actually gonna review each saber that we got so far. I still have 4 more coming, have no idea what they are. And we're also gonna take a look at the boxes too, because the boxes are gonna be different, because I have the mystery sabers coming in and they're in a totally different box than the regular sabers that I already purchased from Star Wars Theory. Anyways, just off the bat, the original box is a black coating with a red outline and a silver text showing the brand that he has. But it's a nice dark red Sith type of vibe. And it says, on the back it says fulfill your destiny, so that's kind of cool. I guess you would say shinier. Has a more colorful, has a retro style look to it. Still, inside this does fulfill your destiny. So, but it's like a nice little pink, like a reddish pink, compared to the Sith red. But anyways, let's get on to the sabers. So the ones I have right now is Annie Episode 3. This is a base lid, it acts like a flashlight. Next up, we actually have the Maul Slayer, which is Obi-Wan Kenobi's Episode 1 Phantom Menace. By far, this is... I really like the grip on this. I just noticed this, but unlike the other sabers he recently got, the cloth seems a bit lighter for the mystery one. And then this is the normal one, but it's lighter for this one. So that's kind of nice. The other one we have is a black blade. It's for a kid. Well, it says it on the site anyways. But anyways, the hilt on this is spectacular. I mean, probably have to modify it myself, but the grips on this is nice. Yeah, I have a band-aid because of this guy. This is Darth Revan's lightsaber, and yeah, this is like really sharp. Like, you know, if you actually, press this against your chest, you're gonna have marks on your chest. I got myself when I was opening this up, but it is getting a little dark, so I'm really curious on how well it's gonna try out for the first time. Yeah, I took the sticker off, and now it leaves like a little mark. I'm gonna try washing that. The other side seems fine, so I'll probably like wash it with I don't know, maybe like an alcohol pad or something. I don't want to stain it. Okay, so now we're gonna try them out. I got them all hooked up. I'm curious which type of soundboard I have for both of them. First off, we're gonna ignite this guy. I still have not upgraded it yet, but sooner or later I'm gonna add in the extra grip. But right now it feels good. It feels good. So we're gonna turn this on. All right. Okay, so it's only one button operated. So turning on, you just hold it, push it, press it once. Hitting it makes that sound. You can also tap it quick, also makes that sound. You gotta hold it to turn it off, and to change blade colors, I think you just hold it. I think. Holding it turns it off for good, so there's no way turning on, but I want it back on, so we gotta hold it again. Okay, now it's back on. Still got to figure some things out with this, but it feels good. Okay, camera's now in a better position, so swinging it.
Nice home.
Okay, interesting. Alright, so I turned off the clash, you just gotta hold it. Doesn't make that, you gotta push the button in order for it to work. Okay, so at least when you hold the button, it kind of flickers. It flickers 5 times, you shut it off completely. I think if you flicker it 3 times, it may change the font. You gotta hold it to turn it on. Hold it for like 1 second to turn it on. Then once it's on, 1, 2, 3. And now it's flickering. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. So 5 seconds is off. 4 seconds is, well, 3 seconds is when it starts flickering. 2 seconds doesn't do anything, but then you gotta hold it again for another 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4.
Nice home.
Okay, so 4 seconds is when you can turn the flash back on. 1, 2. Cool. Well, I'm gonna stick in copyright strike because of this, but YouTube's stupid. Okay, now it's off. So there is 4 or 3 different musics in this font. I got the that just answered it. I got the original Trilogy font. But I also got Cal Kestis lightsaber in this too, so I still got to figure out which font I actually got, which sound package I actually got. But nonetheless, this is actually kind of fun. It's only one button operated, so I still have to figure some things out. But yeah, that's why I made this channel. That's why the intro's like this. It's gonna be all focused on just trying to figure out what these lightsabers are. So we're now gonna go to Darth Revan's lightsaber and check that out. So this is a 36 inch. That was the 32 inch. There's definitely some weight to it. I'm actually kind of afraid. I screwed it in pretty good, so. But if anything, it is off. There is a little kill switch, so you gotta just pop this off, turn it on, just slide it out. Again, nice gold. I really like that. Got the SD card right there, and then right there's the switch. You just there you go, on. All right, so I turned it on. Seated in. So there are two buttons on this. Again, I still have to figure it out. I think the red one's like the main one. This one's like the secondary one. I still gotta figure things out, so bear with me. All right, so Gauss theory. Okay, I think just like with the other ones, you just push both buttons. I guess that's as loud as you're gonna get. Alright, so it is on. Okay. That's like a nice blue color though. It's so weird to hold it. But I already actually purchased the 32-inch NeoPixel blade for the Maul Slayer that I actually have, so I may want to switch it with that because this is a little hefty. Alright, let me figure some things out here. Alright, time to figure out which sound package I got.
Blade 2.
Blade 2. Okay, so that changes the blade. Ooh, Yaddle.
It's just bad.
I think that's from the Kenobi show.
Where is he?
Vader.
Reva.
Reva? Ray? Yeah.
Get the young lady to Kelleran, go!
Kelleran Beck, let's go.
Ahsoka Tano.
Ahsoka's. Ooh. I really like that sound.
Sabine Wren.
Sabine's.
Black conviction.
Is this a sound package from the Kenobi show? And from the Ahsoka show? Yeah, what's the sound package that I got?
Ezra.
Ezra's? Yo!
Nice. Balin skull.
Balin. Oh, let's go. Oh man, I kind of wish I want to do this. I want to do Balin skulls, but it's a little bright out. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, and yeah, I'll upload more. I'll see you in a bit. Open fire! Open fire! I edited like the whole video and then realized that the saber wasn't seated in right. It's seated in now, but I've edited the video, so in the next video I'll actually have it on. But when I screwed it in, it wasn't seated in all the way, so that's why you didn't see any color when I ignited it. But anyways, in the next video, which will be later today, you'll see it.